In this video, I'll show you how you can fix the DirectX error in Black Ops 6. Now what you want to do is first you want to head down to Device Manager, open it up, and from in here you want to find Display Adapters. Right click on this one, Update Driver, just search automatically and make sure you have the best driver. After that, what you want to do is you want to make sure you install the driver software. So just Google your GPU name and then software, and it's going to give you the software. Now for me it's NVIDIA, and from in here what you want to do is you want to head over to drivers, reload, and download the latest driver. Once you've done both of these things, what you want to do is you want to head over to a Google somewhere, and from there you want to search DirectX download and just choose the one from the official Microsoft website. In here just select it, choose a language and press download, and it's going to give you a download here. What you want to do is just follow this. It's an easy installer. You just have to select it and press next, 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 and that's about it. Once you've done that, just restart your PC and it should now work. Now I really hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.